Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Happy Hallobean. For today's Hallobean look, I'm just taking you with me on my journey transforming into Coraline. This is my Halloween costume for the year. We are having a small party tonight and I'm super excited about how this turned out. This wig and this dragonfly clip I both got off Amazon. I don't remember the brand for either. I just searched short blue wig and dragonfly clip and I picked out my favorite ones. And then this jacket I've actually had for a million years. I think it's from a Charlotte Russe, but I've literally had this probably at least 6 years. So yeah, that's about it. I don't really want to ramble too much in this intro. Let's just hop in and create some Coraline makeup. Hello my spooky friends. It is Wig Cat Betty Jean today because I just don't feel like trying to deal with my hair, but I'm gonna be wearing a wig soon anyway, so welcome. It's been a long time since I've been Wig Cat Betty Jean on this channel. Also, I made an apple cider mimosa and it's so good. I will chat about these in the vlog that'll be up before this video, so. So good. All right, we're gonna become Coraline today. I've already primed the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Primer and I already did my brows, so we are just gonna dive in to everything else. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty foundation stick in the shade Angel Food. I'm not necessarily trying to look like the cartoon, like I'm not gonna make my eyes look big and cartoony per se or anything like that. I just want to do a Coraline look to go with my Coraline outfit. I'm excited. We're gonna have some friends over tonight to have a small Halloween gathering. I don't even want to call it a party because it's not gonna be like a huge rager, but just a small little thing. Eat some snacks, watch some movies, play some games, wear some costume. It's gonna be good. All right, foundation complete. By the way, I'm using the base blue ghost sponge, a booty blender, if you will. It kind of looks like a toasted little marshmallow. All right, concealer. I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 130N. What are you guys doing for Halloween? What are you dressing up as? Do you have any plans? Do you go trick-or-treating? Do you pass out candy? Are you doing a party? Are you just gonna watch movies all day? What are you doing for Halloween? I would love to know. I want to chat about it. I'm hoping on Halloween we're able to give out candy, but we shall see. I don't know how many trick-or-treaters we get in this neighborhood since we're new here, and the neighborhood's also being developed still. But there are kids that live here, so maybe it'll happen. If not, I guess we'll just have a bunch of leftover candy. It's all right. I do like this sponge, by the way. I am a microfiber sponge person, but I do like this one. It's very bouncy. And I feel like it makes my makeup look really nice, so that's cool. And I like that it does have this little tip down here, so I can kind of get into the nooks and crannies really easy. It's a pretty solid sponge, honestly. I almost wasn't gonna use this because I didn't want it to get dirty, but I do have an extra one. You can't see it from here, but I have an extra one that'll probably just stay unused forever because it's so cute. All right, bronzer, nothing new here. Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick. Just gonna hit up my jaw, a little bit of the nose, a little bit of the forehead and cheeks, just to give some warmth to the face. I know I already asked what are you dressing up as for Halloween, but I also want to know like what your favorite thing you've ever dressed up as is. I always love dressing up as Beetlejuice. I feel like I don't usually go that extravagant with costumes. I usually just want to be comfortable if I'm ever in a situation where I need to dress up. I don't want anything so elaborate that, I don't know, it feels uncomfortable to hang out in. One year, Zane and I dressed up as Professor Oak and Nurse Joy from Pokemon. That was cute, very simple. All right, I'm gonna set my T-zone now and my like creasy areas with the Milk Makeup Blur setting powder. I love Halloween. I can't believe October's almost over. It feels like we just got here. No, it's already about to be over. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my NYX High Glass Finishing Powder. I've been seeing people lately getting aggravated that there's already been Christmas decorations up this whole month, but as like much as I would love the Halloween to keep going, like through Halloween, I can't really complain because I'm the person that wants to start looking for Halloween decor in like June and July, and I want to start decorating in August, so I can't really take away that same excitement from someone else who's just as excited about the holidays and Christmas and things like that. I love decorating for the holidays too, you better believe it. But yeah. Feel like as a whole, we shouldn't bash people for wanting to decorate for Christmas early if you also want to decorate for Halloween early. Can't have your cake and eat it too, you know? All right, for the cheeks. In my mind, Coraline has pink cheeks. Even though in the cartoon she doesn't really have color on her cheeks, in my mind she has pink cheeks, especially because she does have pink lips, so I figured that would look cute together. I want to use my Be Perfect blush again. It's in the shade Melt. I love this blush so much. I truly want to pick up more shades. This is just an Alter Ego number 3 brush. I'm just gonna focus that on the upper parts of my cheekbone. I just love how this applies. It is so smooth and glowy and beautiful. I really might have to pick up more shades, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna dust some of this around my nose as well. I think it's actually supposed to be a semi-crispy day on Halloween here in Florida, and I'm so excited. If you haven't been here before, hi, my name is Betty Jean, and I'm addicted to stalking my weather app for a glimpse at which days are gonna be crispy because I hate the heat. All right, freckle time. Coraline has freckles, so for anyone out there who hates my fake freckles, haven't had a complaint in a while, thank you very much. But for those of you who do hate it, it's justifiable here because Coraline literally has freckles. I'm starting with my Colourpop Soft Brown Freckle Pen, which is not my favorite product. I don't know why I rebought it for myself. It just dries up so quickly. Like, I don't know if you can even tell, like, just the level of saturation with these new ones versus the ones I already applied. You have a very little working time, and you have to store it upside down to even get that little bit of working time. But I basically just wanted a little veil of background freckles, and now I'm gonna go in with Freck XL. Yes, I do use multiple freckle products in a look. Thank you very much. Do you have any particularly exciting like Halloween traditions? Anything you like to do? I feel like my biggest thing is I just want to watch as many Halloween movies as possible during the month of October. I love carving jack-o'-lanterns. I love baking cookies. Oh, I love driving around and looking at other people's decorated houses. It is so much fun. We actually might do that tomorrow because I don't want to do it on Halloween weekend because you can't really do that when there's children running amok. I could watch Hocus Pocus every single day in October, and I usually do at least half the time. I want pretty dramatic visible freckles across my cheeks and nose because that's kind of where Coraline has them spread about. I want a couple on my forehead though, just to keep it cohesive. I'm so excited to see what people dress as tonight for those of them who do. I told my friends you don't have to dress up, but if you want to, you can. Mimosa break, cheers. The drink even just smells good. Like, I just want to breathe it in. For highlight, I honestly just want to keep it pretty simple. I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario Master Crystal Reflector in the shade Quartz because it just looks like pure sparkle and wetness. This is my Kaleidos H2 highlight brush. I just want sparkly wet cheeks for this. Really, I want the eyes to be the statement piece of this look. And the costume, obviously. At the end of the day, this is essentially just gonna be a regular makeup look that I'm using for my Coraline costume. But I figured I would still take you along the journey. Especially because I know you guys, and I know if I show up on the vlog in my Coraline look and there isn't a video coming, someone's gonna get mad at me. All right, time to set the face. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray. All right, let's get into the eyes. I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. The Hydro Grip line from Milk Makeup is just one of my favorite things in the whole world. It is so good. The primer, the setting spray, the eye primer. You know what, I'm gonna do both eyes at once today. I don't usually do that on camera because it makes my editing life easier, but I just kind of want to be in the zone and just do my makeup like I would if I wasn't filming. So I'm going to use my Affinity 2 palette from Certifeye, this beautiful blue-green Majesty. And I'm going to start with this medium blue shade right here. I'm going to take that on this angled brush from Alter Ego. It's a number 10. And this is going to get stamped in the outer part of my eye and across the lower lash line. I'm also going to carry this out like a wing and also through the crease a little bit. Well, I say a little bit, a lot of it. I want a very dramatically winged out blue look with yellow across the lid because, I mean, those are Coraline's colors. We're looking scary. Now I'm gonna match it. Okay, now that I'm looking spectacular, we're gonna blend it out. I'm gonna take this shade right here, the slightly lighter blue. And with that, I'm gonna use this fluffy brush from Alter Ego, the number 5. And I'm just gonna go to town on this crease, helping get everything more blended and diffused. But again, I'm very cool if this is very blown out and very dramatic. I want the eyes to be a huge statement piece for this look. And I also do plan on doing a big winged liner with this, so I want the colors around the wing to really stand out. Kinda, sorta, something like that. Blue overload. All right, so we're at this point. I want to deepen things up even more with this blue mixed with this blue, basically the two darker blues. I'm just taking that on this pencil brush. This one specifically is from Illamasqua, and I'm just running this across the lower lash line. And I also want to take this mixture right in the outer corner. Not gonna take this up too high or in too far. I just want this to create a little bit of depth in the outer area. And I'm basically just gonna take my fluffy brush that I already used with no additional product, just to very lightly run along these edges here to help diffuse it even more. All right, I wanna start working on the lid a little bit, so I'm gonna take my NYX Glitter Primer and this flat brush from Alter Ego, the number 8. Just gonna put a little bloop of it right there. And this is gonna go across the lid. And I'm gonna make a little cut creasy action. I want it to go just above my natural crease and follow the roundness of my eyeball. So now I'm taking a single shadow from Glaminatrix. This is called Lemonade. And I'm just gonna take that same sticky brush and this is gonna go all across the lid. And I'm making sure I'm building up a nice thick layer of it because I don't want the blue and yellow to mix together and make it too greenish. I want it to stay as yellow as possible. And I'm just gonna kind of follow that cut that I already kind of roughly created. I wanted to just kind of stop and end around where that blue is really building up and deepening up in the outer corner. So now that I'm here, I'm just gonna very lightly dust right where the shimmer and matte meet, no additional product, just to help smooth out the edges. I wanna go ahead and create my wing. This is the KVD Trooper liner. I'm just gonna create a big wing like normal. I like to draw a big tail extending outwards. Then I usually start about halfway and swoop it down. And then I'll start to connect the inside. Then I'll kind of fill in what I've done so far. Now at this point, I'm just gonna kind of build into the wing that I've already started. I wanna connect this more and kind of taper off this wing so it's nice and long and pointy. And now it's not perfect, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recreate it and then I'm going to perfect them. I need to have my mirror super close to my face, so I'll catch you when that's done. All right, I'm pretty satisfied with this wingage. I do wanna pop some shimmer on the lower lash line. I'm thinking this blue ice cold would be perfect. Just taking that on a little pencil brush. I just want to smudge some of this against the front half of my lower lash line. Just to give some extra spiciness, you know. I love it. I'm feeling Coraline-ified. For my inner corner, I'm honestly just thinking that Make It by Mario one will look cute. Just for a little extra sparkle. And then I also kind of want to add some stars with the Colourpop star stamp, which may not sound like it makes sense, but in my mind, I want to add them because one of her outfits, she wears like a blue sweater with stars all over it. I don't know, I just kind of think it might be cute. Just a couple little stars on each side. And I love these little stamps, so any excuse I have to wear them, I will. Okay, so now at this point, I'm just going to throw on my lashes and eye pencil, something on my lips, put on my wig and jacket, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, this is my look complete. I feel so cute. I think this wig is perfect. I'm so excited. The eye pencil I ended up throwing in is called Screamin' from LA Girl, just a nice bright yellow. My lashes are Luna from Lunar Beauty. And for my lips, I went with Pink Moon from Kaleidos because this just gave me pink Coraline lips vibes. I really like how this all pulled together. I think it's super cute. I'm excited. All right, let me zoom out and I will finish up this video. All right, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I created this look. I thought this was so much fun and I'm obsessed with this. This is the prettiest blue ever. Oh, I love this wig. If you made it to the end of this video, I would love for you to leave me a Halloween related emoji. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not, you should follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything. I post every day on Instagram and I'm pretty active on TikTok and Twitter as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.